I am doing the kidney dissection, but the first thing you need to know is that the function of the kidney is to dispose of waste matter that is produced by normal bodily functions and to also maintain the salt and water balance in the body. Now the kidney does this by filtering the blood of excess chemicals and water and excreting these chemicals and water in the form of urine. So here's our kidney. So the first thing you see is this C-section here. That's called the hilus. The hilus has many vessels that exit and enter the kidney, and also you see that the ureter also exits the hilus. Also you can see the renal membrane or the renal capsule, and it's actually a membrane that adheres very closely to the kidney. I'm going to go ahead and lift it up. This here is the renal capsule. Okay. Now when you open up the kidney, you're able to view the internal structures. Now this kidney has not been injected with latex, therefore a lot of the structures look the same color, but I'm going to point out the regions. If you look at this area here, this is known as the cortex. That's the outer region, the cortex. And in this region is very vascular. And also you have a plethora of nephrons. Each kidney has approximately 1 million nephrons. You also have a nephron called the medullary nephron. And the reason why they call it that is because it penetrates well into the medullary region. In the medullary region, you have structures called renal pyramids. And they're shaped just like triangles. However, the base part is at the cortex, whereas the apex is facing towards the renal pelvis. Also, in between each renal pyramid, you have what you call renal columns, and they're actually extensions of the cortex. The renal pyramids are also striated, and those striations are due to the collecting ducts of the nephrons, and as they get close to the apex, they fuse and they form papillary ducts. And beyond the ducts, which is very hard to see here, you have what you call minor calyces, and those are just extensions of the major calyces. Those are collecting cups. And in this region here is where you have the renal pelvis, and then the renal pelvis actually collects more urine, and then it takes it through to the ureter. And here again is the ureter. This concludes our kidney dissection.